Okay, so here we're going to do a second example of synthetic division, but this time where you would get a remainder in your answer. Again, you need to make sure that whatever you're dividing by starts with a 1x, or whatever variable it is that it doesn't have a number other than 1 in front. So I'm going to set up my little box and my line. And then since this is a positive 1 in my box, I change the sign to a negative 1. Then I'm going to start to fill in my coefficients. Here, I would have an imaginary 1. So I have 1, 2, -3, and 5. And then remember, you always bring down your first one. From there, I'm going to multiply. So -1 times 1 is -1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I repeat, -1 times 1 is -1. -3 and -1 gives me -4. -4 times -1 is +4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So this last number here is going to be my remainder when I write down my final answer. Again, when you write down your final answer, you're going to go down one exponent. So instead of 1x cubed, I'm going to put 1x squared. After 1x squared, I'm going to put the 1. After x squared is x. Then I'm going to put my -4. Since my remainder is positive, I'm going to put a plus sign. Remember, your remainder you do as a fraction. The 9 will go on top. And just like in long division, whatever you're dividing by goes on the bottom. So I'm going to put an x plus 1 in the denominator. And then when you're done, you can write it without some of these ones. So instead of that, I'm just going to put x squared plus x minus 4 plus 9 over x plus 1.